Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was just thinking about my volunteer work recently, and I thought it would be nice to talk about our experiences with community service. Do you do any volunteering?
Yes, I do. I volunteer at a local food bank every weekend. I also help at a community garden. Volunteering makes me feel happy because I can help others. What about you, Alice?
That's great, Ben. I volunteer at an animal shelter on Saturdays. I take care of the animals, feed them, and sometimes walk the dogs. It feels very rewarding to help these animals find a good home.
I can imagine. Helping animals is very kind. How long have you been volunteering at the animal shelter?
I have been volunteering there for almost a year now. At first, I was a little nervous because I did not know how to handle the animals. But now I feel much more comfortable.
That is wonderful. I started volunteering at the food bank about 6 months ago. At first, I was not sure what to do, but my supervisor taught me everything I needed to know.
It is good to have someone to guide you when you start volunteering. I learned a lot from the staff at the shelter. They taught me how to care for the animals and how to be gentle with them.
I learned that too. At the food bank, I learned how to sort food donations, pack food boxes, and even talk with the people who come for help. It made me understand that small actions can have a big impact on the community.
Absolutely. Volunteering is a way to give back to the community. I believe that every little bit of help makes a difference.
I agree. I feel very grateful for the chance to volunteer. It makes me appreciate what I have and reminds me that I can help others.
What do you like most about volunteering, Ben?
I think I like the feeling of making a difference. When I see the food bank working well and helping families, I feel happy. I also enjoy meeting other volunteers who are kind and hardworking. How about you?
For me, it is the connection I feel with the animals and the staff at the shelter. I see the love and care they give to each animal, and it makes me feel that I am part of something important.
That is very touching, Alice. Volunteering seems to bring people together and create a sense of community.
Yes, it does. I also think volunteering teaches us many life lessons, like responsibility, compassion, and teamwork.
I agree. Working at the food bank taught me to be patient and kind. Sometimes the people who come for help are sad or worried, and I learned that listening carefully and offering a smile can make a big difference.
That is very true. At the animal shelter, I learned that animals need love and care just like people. I learned to be gentle and understanding, which helps me in my everyday life.
Volunteering also builds confidence. When I first started, I was very shy and unsure, but now I speak up more and work better with others.
Yes, I feel more confident too. I sometimes take on more responsibility, like organizing a small event to raise funds for the shelter. Even though it is challenging, it is very satisfying.
That is impressive, Alice. I have helped organize food drives at the food bank. We collect donations and then distribute them to families in need. It is hard work, but I feel proud to be part of it.
It is a big responsibility, but the reward is seeing happy faces and knowing that you have made a difference.
I believe volunteering also teaches us to appreciate our own life. I realize that even if I have small problems, many people face bigger challenges every day.
I agree completely. Volunteering gives me a new perspective on life. It makes me grateful for what I have and encourages me to be more giving and kind.
Do you volunteer only at the animal shelter, or do you also do other activities?
I mostly volunteer at the shelter, but sometimes I join local community events like park cleanups or charity runs. These events bring many people together for a good cause.
That is a good idea. I try to join community events when I can. Last month, I helped organize a charity run. It was a long day, but I felt very happy and tired in a good way.
I remember my first charity run. I was very nervous, but the support from my friends made it fun. Running with others is a great way to bond and feel motivated.
Yes, I met many new people at that event. Some of them are now good friends, and we share our volunteer experiences regularly.
Making friends through volunteering is one of the best parts. I feel that when people work together, they learn more about each other and build strong bonds.
I agree. I have learned so much from my fellow volunteers. They come from different backgrounds, and each one has a unique story to tell.
Sharing stories with others is very inspiring. I often hear about how volunteers overcome challenges or bring change to their communities. It makes me want to do even more.
Volunteering is like a journey of self-improvement. Every experience teaches you something new. Even when the work is hard, the lessons are valuable.
Yes, I have learned that helping others is not just about giving, but also about growing as a person. I feel more compassionate and patient.
Exactly. I learned to listen more carefully and to understand different perspectives. These skills help me in my job and in my personal life.
Do you think volunteering has changed your view of the world?
Definitely. I see the world as a place where everyone can help each other. I believe that small acts of kindness can create a big impact.
I feel the same. Volunteering makes me believe that if we all do our part, we can make our communities better and create a happier world.
It is very true. I think volunteer work is important, not only for those who receive help, but also for those who give it.
Yes, it enriches our lives and makes us feel more connected. I am very proud to be a volunteer, and I will continue to help in any way I can.
I feel proud of volunteering too. I hope more people join in and experience the joy of giving back.
That would be wonderful. The more we volunteer, the more we can learn, and the stronger our communities become.
Thank you for sharing your experiences, Alice. Talking about volunteering makes me feel motivated and grateful for the opportunity to help others.
Thank you, Ben. I enjoyed our conversation very much. It is good to share our stories and encourage each other to do more.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to volunteer together at a future event. I think it would be great to work side by side with you.
I would love that, Ben. Working together in a community project sounds like a wonderful idea.
I will let you know when the next volunteer event is scheduled. We can join and make a difference together.
That would be fantastic. I look forward to it.
Me too, Alice. Thank you for this inspiring conversation. I feel very positive about our volunteer work and the lessons we learn from it.
Thank you, Ben. I'm glad we talked. Volunteering truly makes life more meaningful.
I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you at our next volunteer event soon.
You too, Ben. Take care and keep spreading kindness.
Goodbye, Alice.
Goodbye, Ben.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.